So bonjour les étudiants of class 9. Hope you're fine, hope you're safe. Try to do some activities at home, physical activities as I told you earlier. Drink a lot of water and don't go out unnecessarily, right? And so about the French class, the last class we were saying the exercises of lesson 2. So today we'll be continuing with the translation of lesson 2, right? The translation of lesson 2. We got 3 dialogues, those are like small dialogues, and we'll try to do the opposites, right? And we'll try to do the opposites of the lesson 1 and 2 together. So then that's it for today. Okay, it will be a little session, okay, a very small session today. Okay, hope you take notes. And the translation, it will be a dictation. Okay, the translation, we won't be showing you the English translation. Okay, just the French translation will be in the slides, and I'll be dictating the English one, so you got to just take note, right? So careful. So here we go. So here it is, okay, the dialogue A, and in this lesson we got 3 dialogues. So we'll start with dialogue A. We'll read it once, then we'll go for the meanings. So dialogue A, Rima. Bonjour à tous. Rinku, salut Rima. Rima, c'est qui? Rinku, c'est Sarah, elle est américaine. Rima, salut Sarah, je m'appelle Rima. Okay, as you can see, this is one simple dialogue. So Rima and Rinku, they are friends. Okay, so and so they are getting introduced to a new person called Sarah. Okay, so Rinku is introducing Sarah to Rima. So we'll translate. So Rima says, good morning everybody. Bonjour à tous. It's good morning everybody. So please take note. You got to write at the same time. Please copy it in your notebook. Rima says, good day to all, or good day everyone, good day everybody. So Rinku is answering, salut Rima, hi Rima. Okay, salut is a greeting, hi Rima. So Rima, she's asking a question. C'est qui? Who is this? Who is this? So Rinku, she's answering, c'est Sarah. Elle est américaine. So Rinku says, it's Sarah. She is an American. Okay, so when someone introduces someone new, okay, we'll be greeting them, right? Okay, so Rima says, salut Sarah. Hi Sarah. Je m'appelle Rima. My name is Rima. Okay, so the last line, hi Sarah, my name is Rima. So we'll just read it once again in English. Okay, so just check if you have written correctly. Dialogue A, Rima, good day everyone. Rinku, hi Rima. Rima, who is this? Rinku, it's Sarah. She is an American. Rima, hi Sarah. My name is Rima. Hope it's fine. So now we'll move to dialogue B. So dialogue B, we'll read it once. Élève, bonjour madame. Professeur, bonjour à tous. Ah, c'est toi la nouvelle élève? Sarah, oui madame, je m'appelle Sarah. Professeur, ah bon, épelle ton nom s'il te plaît. Sarah, S-A-R-A-H S-A-M-U-E-L. Professeur, tu as quel âge? Sarah, 16 ans. Professeur, mais tu es jeune. Okay, so it's actually now the conversation between the teacher and Sarah. And so we'll start. Dialogue B. Dialogue B. Élève. So élève, which means students. Okay, the students. Bonjour, madame. Good day, ma'am. Okay, so they are greeting. Good day, ma'am, or good day, madam. Professor, the teacher, she is greeting back. Good day to all. Good day to all. Ah, c'est toi la nouvelle élève. Oh, is it you? Or it is you, the new student. Okay, nouvelle élève, which means the new student. Sarah is answering. Yes, ma'am. Oui, madame. Yes, ma'am. Je m'appelle Sarah. My name is Sarah. So, professor, the teacher. Ah bon? Épelle ton nom, s'il te plaît. Ah bon, oh well. Okay, oh well. Spell your name, please. Épelle ton nom, which means spell your name. S'il te plaît, please. Spell your name, please. Sarah's spelling her name now. Okay, Sarahsamuel. She says, and then professor, teacher, tu as quel âge? How old are you? What is your age, or how old are you? Sarah is answering by 16 years old. 16 ans. 16 years old. So professor, she says, but you are young. Okay, so but it's used as an expression even. So, but you are young. So again, we'll read it once again. Okay, just in English. Please check if you have written correctly. So dialogue B, the students. Good morning, ma'am. The teacher. Good morning, everyone. Oh, is it you, the new student? Sarah. Yes, ma'am. My name is Sarah. Professor, the teacher. Oh, well, spell your name, please. Sarah. Sarahsamuel. So the teacher. How old are you? Sarah. 16 years old. So teacher. But you're young. Young. Okay, jeune means young. So now moving to the dialogue C. Okay, so dialogue C. We'll read it once. Anita. Bonjour Sarah. Tu aimes l'Inde? Sarah. Oui, beaucoup. Anita. Tu habites où? Sarah. J'habite à Saint-Thome, près de la plage. Anita. C'est où ça? Sarah. Tu connais la grande église? C'est juste derrière. Anita. Quelle langue tu parles? Sarah. L'anglais. So it's done. So so the conversation continues. Okay, so the conversation in the sense with Sarah. Okay, so she's a new student. So the friends, okay, and the teacher, they are just getting introduced. Okay, so everyone is like wanted to know about her. So here it's actually a conversation between Anita and Sarah. So Anita starts, Bonjour Sarah, tu aimes l'Inde? So good morning Sarah, you like India? So Sarah answers, Oui, beaucoup. Yes, a lot. Okay, beaucoup means a lot. Yes, very much or a lot. Anita, tu habites où? So where do you live? Tu habites où? Where do you live? Sarah, j'habite à Saint-Thome. I live at Saint-Thome. Okay, it's an area in Chennai, right? J'habite à Saint-Thome. I live at Saint-Thome. Près de la plage, near to the beach. Près de la plage, which is near to the beach. Anita, c'est où ça? Where is it? C'est où? Okay, it is where it is. Okay, so where is it? You can write. Where is it? Sarah, tu connais la grande église? You know the big church? Okay, tu connais la grande église? You know the big church? Then, c'est juste derrière. It's just behind. It is just behind. Anita, quelle langue tu parles? What language you speak? Sarah, l'anglais, English. Okay, so as she comes from somewhere in England, okay, maybe she speaks English. So hope it's fine. Okay, I will read it once again in English, then we'll move. So dialogue C. Anita, good day Sarah. You like India? Sarah, yes, very much. Anita, where do you live? Sarah, I live in Saint-Thome, near to the beach. Anita, where is it? Sarah, you know the big church? It's just behind. Anita, what language you speak? Sarah, English. So now the dialogues of lesson 2 is over. Okay, so here we got the opposites, les contraires of lesson 1 and 2 combined. Okay, you can write it together, okay, or you can write it separately. The first 6 for in one page, I mean with for the first lesson, and the remaining 6 for the second lesson. You can, okay, or you can write it together. It's better you write it together, lesson 1 and 2 combined. So we'll read it once, then you'll go for the meanings. Okay. Nouvelle, ancienne, oui, non, bien, mal, jeune, vieux, aimer, détester, beaucoup, un peu, près de, loin de, grande, petite, derrière, devant, jolie, laide, ici, là, sympathique, antipathique. So now we'll go for the meanings. So nouvelle, which means new, ancienne, which means old or ancient. Okay, so nouvelle, it's new, ancienne, which is old. Okay, so but careful with the opposites. If the feminine form is given, you go to write the feminine form of the adjective. Okay, so here nouvelle, it's actually in the feminine form, so we write the feminine form of ancien. Okay, ancien, it's masculine, ancienne, it's feminine, and the masculine form of nouvelle, it's nouveau. Okay, nouveau, ancien, nouvelle, ancienne. The second one, oui, non. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, this one, it's yes, no, and even they can be asking like vrai, faux. Okay, vrai, faux, true, false. Okay, vrai, faux can. And third one, it's bien, mal. Okay, bien, mal, which means good, bad. Okay, bien means good, mal means bad. And same way can be asked like bon, mauvais. Okay, bon, mauvais, which means good, bad also. Right, bon, mauvais. And the feminine form of bon is bonne. Okay, bonne, and mauvais will be adding an e, mauvaise. Bon, mauvais, bonne, mauvaise. Okay, here it's bien, mal. The fourth one, jeune, jeune, which means young. Okay, young. Par exemple, vous êtes jeune, you are young. Okay, vieux, vieux means old. Okay, nous sommes vieux, we are old. Okay, so vieux means old, jeune means young. And one more thing with vieux, it's actually the both singular and plural will be having the same spelling, vieux, very old. So the fifth one, aimer, détester. Okay, so the verb aimer, which means to like or to love, détester, to hate. Okay, détester, to hate. So it can be even asked with adorer. Okay, even adorer, the opposite will be détester. Okay, aimer or adorer, so the opposite will be détester. The sixth one, beaucoup, beaucoup, which means a lot or very much, and the opposite is un peu, which means a little, un peu, which means a little, beaucoup, un peu. The seventh one, près de, loin de, près de, which means near to. Okay, near to, and loin de, which means far from. Okay, these are some prepositions, près de, loin de. Okay, so near to, far from. Eighth one, grande, grande. Okay, petite. Okay, so same way here they have used the feminine form, so we'll be answering in the feminine form, grande, petite. If it's asked grand without that e, so petite will be without that e. Okay, grande, petite, grand, petit. So the ninth one, derrière. So derrière, which means behind. Derrière, which means behind. Devant, which means in front. Okay, so derrière, behind. Devant, in front or before. Oui. So derrière, devant. So the 10th one, joli, joli. Okay, and the opposite is laide. So joli, which means pretty. Okay, pretty, and laide means ugly. Okay, so joli, it's in feminine form, so we give the feminine form laide. Okay, so if you give the masculine form joli, the same pronunciation, but we cut e, the opposite will be laid. Okay, so we cut that e, but the pronunciation will be lay. So the 11th one, ici, là. So ici, which means here, and là means there. Okay, so ici, là, here, there. And even the same way can be asked like voici, voilà. Okay, voici, voilà. Even that can be said.
And the last one, it's sympathetic, antipathic. Sympathetic, antipathic. So sympathetic, which means kind, okay, kind or nice, okay, someone who is kind, nice is a sympathetic. So antipathic, which means like unkind, not nice. We are sympathetic, antipathic. So we'll just give a small reading once again with the opposites. Nouvelle, ancienne. Oui, non. Bien, mal. Jeune, vieux. Aimer, détester. Beaucoup, un peu. Près de, loin de. Grande, petite. Derrière, devant. Jolie, laide. Ici, là. Sympathique, antipathique. Oui. So that's it for today. And one more thing, so for today's objective type test, there'll be a small thing. Okay, you got to revise the self introduction, présentez-vous. Okay, so anyway, the exercises, in our exercises we got lot, but still if you have your old notes, so get some points from there. Okay, so because the first lesson's composition will be the self introduction. Okay, we'll be writing from around 10 to 15 points. Maybe in the next classes we'll be saying, okay, one example, you can just write it on your own. If you have a good self introduction in your old notebook, which is correct and which has some simple points, okay, which has some simple points, that's more important. Do not copy from the internet. Okay, so try to get some simple points. Even from first lesson, second lesson, you can collect not bad points, and mostly you should be knowing the self introduction. So try to write in the last page. Okay, better you can try writing in your rough note first, then please check if there are mistakes, and then you can copy in your classwork itself. Okay, as I told you, no need to put a composition note for French this year. You can just write in your classwork itself, right? So but in a separate page. The opposite, same way, in a separate page. The composition, please write in a separate page, right? Or maybe like after the first lesson, after finishing the translation exercises, then write the opposites, then write the composition, then leave 2 pages, then start the second lesson. Okay, so this is how you organize. First write the translation, okay, of the lessons. So the translation, the French translation should be written at the left side, and the English translation should be written on the right side. Okay, so that will be easy for you to refer. Right, so below that you can even write, okay, below dialogue A you can write dialogue B. And so because for the 2 lessons we got simple dialogues, okay, you got simple dialogues, so you can write just one below another. Then at the right side you can write the English translation. Then you can write the exercises of the lesson exercises. Then you can write the opposites, then you write the composition, then try to leave 2 pages. Okay, because we'll be having some sentence making and maybe so on. Okay, if in case like we got more anything to add in the lesson, we'll just add there. Then you start writing the second lesson, left side the French one, and the right side the English dialogues, right? So that's it for now, guys. So please be safe, take care. Okay, bye bye.